Hey guys, if you are facing a problem on monitor screen size adjustment or a PC display size changing issue means, well, in this video, let me share you what are the different methods to change the display size on your PC. Now, the first direct method is that if you are using a Windows PC means just right click the start menu and click on the settings. Now here click on system. Now click on display. Now here is the display resolution. Just click on this drop down menu and here select in which option shows the recommended. So for my monitor, it shows 1920 to 1080 as the recommended. So as like in your monitor for which display resolution size it shows the recommended, select that option. So now I'm selecting this one. So after selected this, now you'll see the option, now you'll see a window like this, click on keep changes. Now you can instantly see that is the screen size has been automatically adjusted with your monitor size. So this is the direct way to change the display size, your PC display size in the Windows 11 PC. Now the next method is that even if you are using the Windows 11 and still you are not able to adjust your display size as per your monitor size means, next you can change the settings via the graphics card. So if you are using the NVIDIA graphics means select the NVIDIA control panel by just right clicking in the desktop, click on the NVIDIA control panel. If you are using any other graphics means just select that graphics software and in that graphics software you can see the display size like that. So now I'm selecting the NVIDIA control panel. In the left side under the display settings, select the change resolution. So here also you can see the option native like that. So select a native and click on the apply. So now it automatically changes to your screen adjustment. Just to click on the S to continue, keep the changes. And also there is one more option. Still, if you are facing issue means there is a one more option like customize. So click on the customize option. Now here click on create custom resolution. Select this option. Now just enter your horizontal pixels and vertical lines. So if you are bought a new monitor means check your monitor specifications whether so what pixels it actually have. Check out on your monitor specification and just enter that pixels here and click on the test option. This is one more method. And the final method is under the same NVIDIA control panel page and the left side click on the adjust desktop size and position. Click on this option. Now here click on enable desktop resizing. Enable checkmark this option. Now click on resize option. Now click on apply and continue. Now you will see a window like this. In all the four corners you can see an arrow. If this arrow is not perfectly aligned with all four corners means you can adjust that using this width and height option. So if width is the problem means so increase to make it to the left side or make it to the right side. So based on this is the width option. So the length will be increase or decrease like that. If it is height is the problem, you can use this option. So like this, you can increase or decrease the height of your PC display size. So based on your monitor size and the screen resolution, you can adjust manually. And after adjusted, just click on this lock symbol to lock that screen resolution. And after that, click on the OK. So now in this method, you can adjust the screen resolution. Now your PC display size adjusted as per your monitor display size. So these are all the methods to change the display size on your monitor. Well, that's it about this video guys. And hopefully if you like this video, hit the like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.